Hello, world.
This world is a cold, hard place, and there's some truths we gotta tell each other. You and me. You and me. Not all AI is created equal. I know that's not nice to say, but it's the truth. Buckle in, boys and girls. This is going to be a riveting conversation about the differences between reinforcement learning agents and supervised learning models. Let's get into it. An example of a reinforcement learning agent is AlphaStar. AlphaStar was designed to master StarCraft 2, and it did. It dominated. I think it's still living there. It's doing its thing. AlphaStar was created by DeepMind, a subsidiary of Google, and achieved Grandmaster level among the top 0.2% of players. Domination Station. AlphaStar had to learn how to control armies, manage resources, expand bases, handle incomplete information, the fog of war, all in real time. Real time, folks! DeepMind trained AlphaStar by pitting it against versions of itself. AlphaStar would play against itself and receive rewards if it won, chasing the rewards for achieving its objectives, and got penalized for being a big old loser. Talk about some tough love, kids. AlphaStar, a reinforcement learning agent, belongs to a different group of AI models versus a GPT model, a generative pre-trained transformer model, which uses supervised learning as its foundation. Take ChatGPT and AlphaStar. They're like distant cousins. ChatGPT is the well-rounded, sophisticated cousin from Downton Abbey who can navigate any conversation and task with a refined touch. And AlphaStar is like wild Uncle Kevin who's in special ops in the Navy SEALs. He's fast, he's efficient, we need him, but he's not exactly the most well-rounded conversationalist. To sum it all up, reinforcement learning agents learn through trial and error, receiving rewards and penalties based on its actions. Reinforcement learning agents is like the mother from the Bronx. It's a hard life out there sometimes, and you need a little tough love to make it through. Supervised learning involves using a large dataset of text, where the model can learn to predict the next word in a sentence based on the input it receives. The training process involves examples of correct outputs, human written responses, to guide the model along its learning path, a little gentle guidance. Supervised learning model is like that mom your best friend had. She was really nice and supportive and caring and loving, and the house always smelled like muffins and pasta, and there was always food everywhere, and then you go home and your mom's working 5 jobs and she got the tough love because she's the mom from the Bronx. The life lesson here, boys and girls, is that not all AI is the same. Not all people are the same. But we all need hugs. Come to my show, have a laugh, feel better about yourself. It's gonna be great.